Hi viewers, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the most easy simple naan ever. You just have to follow a few steps that I'm going to show in my video, and hope you guys are going to enjoy watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment or subscribe my channel. Here I've used nearly 1 kilogram of self-raising flour and 400 ml of water and half glass of milk, half cup of milk. Here is the 1 teaspoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Here I'm going to add the self-raising flour in a bowl, and at this point I'm going to add all the ingredients and mix them well. Cover the dough and leave it for 1 hour. Once it's rised, knead it for 10 minutes before making the naan. Here I'm using the rolling pin for the naan bread. Apply little water on the naan so it can stick properly on the pan. Do not use the non-stick pan. Here we have used dried coriander and garlic powder. At this point, turn the pan upside down, hold it for 40 to 50 seconds. The naan shouldn't be burnt at this point, so check it out. And this is the final result of the naan bread. Hope you guys like it, and it looks very delicious. Can't wait to bite it. So delicious, and please don't forget to comment, subscribe again, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.